Inkampani yabameli iBhixulu and Partners ithi ayingabazi ukuthi u-Advocate Andy Mothibi ukulungele ukuba inhloko ye-NPA, kepha ithi ichemile indlela aqokwa ngayo uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
Only the president may appoint the NDPP. If the president delegates the task to a minister, to whoever, the president may. However, that decision or that exercise of that power remains public power.
Basola uMengameli uRamaphosa ngokuthembela esiphakamisweni sethimba labeluleki aliqoka ukuba kukhethwe ozothatha isikhundla senhloko ye-NPA.
The president appoints Advocate Mothibi on the basis of accepting the advisory panel's report not to appoint anybody else. What taints the Mothibi appointment is the reliance of on the advisory panel with the knowledge that it was now under challenge.
U-Advocate Andy Mothibi uthi yena uzoqhubeka nomsebenzi wakhe nakuba kunomsindo oqhubekayo ngokuqokola kwakhe kulesikhundla.
For now, I'm focused on the work at hand, and as you can see, some of the results are clear for the public to see. The appointment process, those who are unhappy with it, they've got the forum which they have approached.
Kumasingana uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wasebenzisa amandla akhe akumthethosisekelo ngesikhathi eqoka uMothibi ukuba athathe izintambo ku-Advocate Shamila Batohi osethatha umhlalaphansi. uMothibi wayengeyona ingxenye yabantu abadlula ohlelweni lwenhlolokhono. iBhixulu and Partners ithi ukuqokwa kukaMothibi akubukeki kahle kulaba okwasekubanjwe nabo izingxoxo zokuhlola ukulungela kwabo ukwenza lo msebenzi okubalwa kubo u-Advocate Andrea Johnson, uHermione Cronje, uMenzi Simelane, uXolisile Khanyile, uNicolette Bell kanye noAdrian Mop. Inkantolo isigodlile isinqumo.